Let's begin question number 4. Here cot theta equals 2 is given and we have to find the values of all t ratios of angle theta. First of all, we have to draw a right angle triangle. Let us name it ABC, where B is 90 degree and suppose this is angle theta. For this, in question it is given that cot theta equals 2 and cot theta is hypotenuse by base by perpendicular. So it is base by perpendicular, so it is 2 and this is 1. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem we have to find the hypotenuse, that is AC cos square equals AB cos square plus BC cos square. Now AB is 1, so it is 1 square, and BC is 2, so it is 2 square, and 1 plus 4 equals 5. So AC equals root 5. Now we know perpendicular, base and hypotenuse 2, that is root 5. Now for an angle theta, we have to find all the values of t ratios for an angle theta. That is sine theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it is 1 by root 5. Cos theta equals base by hypotenuse, so it is 2 by root 5. Tan theta equals perpendicular by base, so it is 1 by 2. Cot theta equals 2. Cosec theta is just opposite of sine theta, so it is root 5, and sec theta is just opposite of cos theta, so it is root 5 upon 2. Thanks.